The voice you have been hearing on this channel is not mine. It is not a human voice actor. It costs me a few dollars per episode to produce, and most people who hear it cannot tell the difference. The tool behind it is called ElevenLabs, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to produce every single episode on AI Ripple, from script to finished audio, and why it is the single most important tool in my entire production workflow. But before I get into the how, I want to show you something that will put this in perspective. In 2024, hiring a professional voice actor for a 10-minute YouTube narration cost between $100 and $500 per script. If you were producing daily content, which is exactly what I do, that number becomes somewhere between $3,000 and $15,000 per month just for voiceover, for a channel that is not yet monetized, for content that you are producing every single day. That math does not work, and for most creators building a channel from scratch, it never will. ElevenLabs changes that equation completely, and the way it does it is worth understanding properly, because this is not just a cheaper alternative to human voice actors. In several measurable ways, it is actually better. Here is what I mean by that. And here is where most reviews of ElevenLabs get it wrong. Most people think of ElevenLabs as a text-to-speech tool. You paste in text, it reads it back to you in a voice that sounds reasonably human. That is the surface-level description, and it is accurate as far as it goes. But what ElevenLabs actually is in 2026 is a complete audio production platform, and the gap between what it was 2 years ago and what it is today is significant enough that if you last looked at it in 2024, you are looking at a fundamentally different product now. In the last 12 months alone, ElevenLabs shipped 8 major product launches. The 11v3 model, which is what I use for every episode on this channel, introduced something called expressive audio tags. These are inline text prompts that you embed directly in your script. Things like whispers, laughs, sighs, and dozens of other emotional and tonal cues that the model reads and interprets in real time as it generates the audio. What that means in practice is that you are not just controlling what the voice says, you are controlling how it says it, the emphasis, the emotional weight, the pacing, the subtle pauses that make narration sound like a person thinking rather than a machine reading. And here is the number that matters most for anyone considering this tool. In blind listener tests conducted in 2026, the majority of people could not distinguish ElevenLabs' output from real human speech in short clips. That is not a marketing claim. That is a documented research finding. The technology has crossed a threshold that most people are not aware of yet. So let me walk you through exactly how I use this in my workflow, because the tool is only as useful as the process you build around it. Every episode on this channel starts with a script. I write the script, or in my case, I research the topic thoroughly and develop the narrative. And then I bring it into ElevenLabs. The script for a 10 to 14 minute episode runs between 1,400 and 1,800 words. That is a standard long-form YouTube narration. The first decision I make in ElevenLabs is voice selection. The platform has over 10,000 community and pre-made voices across more than 70 languages. For this channel, I use a consistent voice across every episode because consistency matters for audience recognition. When your viewer hears the first 3 seconds of your audio, they should immediately know they are watching your channel. That audio identity is as important as your thumbnail style or your logo. Once the voice is selected, I paste in the script and make a critical decision that most new ElevenLabs users get wrong. Before I hit generate, I go through the script and add expressive audio tags at the key moments. A pause before a dramatic reveal, a slightly lower, more measured tone when delivering a serious statistic, a subtle emphasis on the word that carries the most weight in a sentence. This step takes me approximately 15 minutes per script, and it is the difference between audio that sounds like a very good AI and audio that sounds like a person who genuinely cares about what they are saying. Then I generate. A 1,400-word script generates in approximately 40 to 60 seconds on the creator plan. The audio file comes out ready for production. No cleaning, no noise reduction, no post-processing needed. I drop it directly into Pictory, my video editing platform, sync it with the visuals, and the episode is done. Start to finish, the audio production for a 10 to 14 minute episode takes me under 20 minutes. including script review, tag insertion, generation, and download. Now let me talk about pricing, because this is where a lot of people get confused about ElevenLabs, and I want to be direct about the numbers. There are four main plans that matter for creators. The free plan gives you 10,000 credits per month, which is roughly 10 minutes of narration using the standard multilingual model. There's no commercial license on the free plan, which means you cannot legally publish that audio to a monetized YouTube channel. So the free plan is genuinely only useful for testing the voices and getting a feel for the platform. The starter plan at $5 per month unlocks commercial use. That is the minimum you need to publish content. It gives you around 30,000 characters per month, enough for 2 or 3 short-form episodes. If you're just starting out and producing a small number of short videos, this is where you begin. The creator plan at $22 per month, often available at $11 for the first month, is what I use and what I recommend for anyone producing daily or near-daily content. It gives you 100,000 credits per month, which covers approximately 100 minutes of narration using the multilingual model. For context, I produce daily episodes of 10 to 14 minutes, which means I'm generating roughly 300 to 400 minutes of audio per month. I am on the Pro plan at $99 per month, which gives me 500,000 credits, more than enough headroom for daily production with room to spare. One thing I want to flag that most reviews skip over. Credits are consumed per character, not per finished audio minute, and regenerations also consume credits. This means that if you generate a script, listen back, decide you want to adjust the tone of a section, and regenerate. You are spending credits twice on that section. The practical implication is that you should finalize your script and your audio tags before you hit generate. Iterate on the text, not on the audio. That discipline alone will save you significant credits every month. There is one feature of ElevenLabs that I have not mentioned yet, and it is the one that I think has the most interesting long-term implications for creators building channels. It is called professional voice cloning, and it does exactly what it sounds like. Professional voice cloning, available on the creator plan and above, allows you to upload a set of high-quality audio recordings of a specific voice, and ElevenLabs trains a clone of that voice that you can use for all of your narration going forward. The clone captures subtle speech patterns, natural pacing tendencies, emotional range, and even accent characteristics. What this means for a creator is significant. If you want your channel to have a completely unique voice that nobody else on YouTube has, not one of the 10,000 community voices, but a voice that is genuinely yours, or that you commissioned specifically for your brand. Professional voice cloning makes that possible at a scale that was simply not accessible to independent creators before this technology existed. For AI Ripple specifically, I'm exploring this as the channel grows. The goal is a voice that is immediately and unmistakably associated with this channel, the way certain podcast voices become part of the identity of the show itself. Now, ElevenLabs reached an $11 billion valuation in February 2026, after raising $500 million in a Series D round led by Sequoia Capital. Their annual recurring revenue surpassed $330 million. Disney, Nvidia, Meta, and Salesforce are all clients. I tell you that not to impress you, but because it answers a question that matters for any creator choosing a tool to build their production workflow around. Is this company going to be here in 2 years? Is it going to keep improving the product? Is it the kind of platform you can bet your production process on? At $11 billion in valuation with major enterprise clients and a trajectory of 8 major product launches in a single year, the answer to all 3 of those questions is yes. So here is the honest summary of where ElevenLabs fits in a YouTube creator's toolkit in 2026. If you are producing content and you need professional-grade narration without the cost of human voice talent, ElevenLabs is the clear choice. The quality is unmatched by any competitor. The workflow is fast enough to support daily production. The pricing is accessible starting at $5 a month for commercial use, and the platform is evolving fast enough that the features available today are significantly better than what existed a year ago. The link to try ElevenLabs is in the description. If you are building a faceless YouTube channel, a podcast, an e-learning course, or any kind of content that requires narration at scale, this is the tool I use, and the tool I recommend. And if you want to see exactly what it produces in practice, you have been listening to it for the last 9 minutes.